And can't hungry when you beat me now, eh? Be smart, you know. This morning, and I eat money food. This morning, and I dey put food for belly. This morning, and I dey eat too. What is it? They never break up more for us since I go also. And I dey come house, and I dey eat money food. Men they try. Oh, these women make una dey talk say men they try. Men they try well. In the night they don't sleep. They're the reason how they want to get money. They're the reason how work want to come. They're the reason how they want to cater for their family. School fees, house rent, feeding, gas, everything, and man. I'm not eat now. Money food. Yes. I need to put for belly. Top of that one, woman will say, you know they do anything, you know they try, you know they do anything. See some women they talk. After men don't do everything I hate, you go see what have you done. But man, I eat a piece. I said, may I quick shop this one. I quick shop ammo. Yeah, my radiator did do. Can't go when you beat me now, and not be small.